You guys doing very well and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a web application using AI. So you don't need any experience to code anything because everything will do our AI. So in this video specifically I'm going to show you how you can create a project where user can register, login using their email ID, and after that they will access a page. So basically, we now display a normal home page. In the future videos, we will add product and selling system, payment system. So this will be a new series. So on this series of videos where we explain step by step that how you can build a application uh, where you can sell your product or you may use it to different project. uh, it's depend on you how you want and where you can use this. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the application where user will register then log in. So to start this we need a operating system an operating system. So you can use Windows 11, 10, and you can use Mac or Ubuntu Linux. So I will use my Windows 10 or 11. I think it's 11. So I will use Windows 11. And also we need to install some software like Node.js and npm. Also we need uh, Visual Studio Code where we code our application. And I use Gemini to uh, to ask the application codes that we need throughout this series all video. So let's start then. So I'm going to Google Gemini. Here it is. So I'm just a normal user. I didn't bug any uh, plan yet. So we use without buying any plan. And now we need to open our uh, Visual Studio Code. So where we use to create the front end and also the back end, and we store user data. So we also need MongoDB. Uh, Actually, in my PC, I have everything installed. So when I use something new, that you need to install the after that you can use, or if you receive any error when I do, and in my PC if it's work, but in your case if not working, then you must comment me so I can suggest you why the error is coming. And you have my email ID. Display my website. So if you scroll down, you will get my email ID here. Here is the email ID. So you can copy it and send to me if you suffer any issues. So let's go to the Gemini, and we will ask Gemini what we need. So if you don't have knowledge how to ask, or people use prompt, but we will not use any prompt, just simple. We talk to Gemini and ask him to generate the application details, and those details we will use and build the system. So first I will say uh, I will say we are going to, I will not say we are, I will say I am going to build a web application. You can type anything if the spelling is not correct. You don't need to make it correct spelling, because AI understand what you actually asking. So I'm going to build a web application where we have a dashboard, and we need a register and login system. When user login can access our dashboard, the front end will be in React, and we want and I want to use Tailwind CSS to design the application. Also need the application header and user profile. We so I want to use Express for backend, Express and MongoDB for backend. Guide me step by steps. So now let's see how Gemini guide us. So we need to understand what he give us. So phase one, the backend. Node.js and Express MongoDB. Phase 2 front end. Phase 3 design the UI components. Phase 4 connecting front to back. Would you like me to provide the Express schema code for your user module to get your start? So we need first AI said we need to build the backend first. So I will say yes, let's build the backend first. User module. So we use MongoDB to talk to it. MongoDB we need ensure email are unique and password are never stored as plain text. So this is the module that he creating. So we will follow the code and then we use the AI said we use JWT JSON Web Token that will give access the page actually. So let's say yes. So he built the backend server side also, author side and backend. So let's what we need to do now. We need to create a project project directory. So like if you see here, it's on e project YouTube projects. So inside that I am here. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, then you can download it, and after download you will be there. This one may be close. Here welcome new will be display. Here we can use the terminal, and after that this will be the backend. So we name it backend. Okay, and then I will open this backend project and backend. So you will see like this after installation. Now we're on the backend. So when we go back on the projects, this will be backend, and when we build front end, we will name front end, and inside the front end we will code everything. So here you give it. So I suggest what we do. It's model. So to follow this all, what we need to install first VS Code, okay, where we edit, then Node.js with npm. We need MongoDB. Okay, so you can search on Google and download this all and install. Normally, if you don't have knowledge, you can search on YouTube how to install this on. After that, when you ask this, and then this is model, so I will name a folder here, model. Yeah, yeah. So if name model like this, so inside the model we create this user model. This one name is user JS. Okay, copy it and here space. Then copy the code first and paste it here and then save. Now, now we go to second, protecting the dashboard middleware. Okay, so when we say yes, it's saying no. So I don't know why. I will ask again. Please guide us to create. Please write. I'll say write the backend full code. The user module and the server JS main file with all required root. So it's saying to do it. So we need to install some dependencies here first. So we don't have here JSON file package.json, so that's why we need to npm y init. It will create a package JSON, and then now we will install that he said. So let it install and we create. Okay, here is the modules and then user. So let's copy this one and change the user menu. User schema. Actual, it's called a schema. And then we create the server JS, not inside the module. Okay, it will be outside. This will be the main file where we import module and other things when we need. So here server JS, here right. So I just copy it and paste here. So process.env port again. So we need a .env file here. Env. Here we will save or secure private key or whatever that we need in the future. So like password, username or secret, that we don't want to reveal those things. If a normal hacker want to hack to get access on those things. So let's .env, if you see here, so we need to copy it, and on .env we need this tool secret. So for this secret and MongoDB URL, this is very important. So we give the MongoDB URL. So I will ask what will be the copy MongoDB URL URI if it's running localhost. So it will be this one. Okay. Copy it. So here if you see the your database name, so I will give this database name will be let's name it like demo YouTube demo. Okay. And GWT secret that we need. So we need to generate a strong password. So let's generate password. So here, what is this? You need to generate using different code, like if they get your private key, then it will be danger. So I can ask Gemini to how to create a password for the JWT secret. Give me a command or Java script to generate a strong password. So this command we can use. Let's see, it's generate. So it's generate a key. If you see, you can use it and paste here. Now we follow. So we have built the server JS and the user module. Now I will ask to for the front end. Okay. So if now we have the server, to run this server we can use localhost 500, or we can use different port also, like in .env. If we give it port 555, this one, yeah, and I'm going to remove this and it will run here. To run this server backend, we need to use Node and then server.js, hit enter. So it's saying module not found. Let's see which module not found. It's saying, okay, so the name of this modules, it's model I gave, it's models. Now npm server, so it's running. If you see, one more thing I like to add here, yeah, dot get. I'm adding this for we have this also. I delete it. Now if I came here and put localhost, 1 minute. So you can see localhost. So if we use this one at the end, this is the return. So we call this backend and it's print this message. Okay, yeah. No token authorization deny. Yeah, we have auto middleware. So if I give anything, if I remove it, then you will see the message. Let's refresh it. Here is the message. Okay. So the video is about 30 minutes. So I will continue this project on next video. For now, bye. Have a nice day.